Now let me zoom in on my skin a little, because I just applied some castor oil mixed with apricot oil and some rosehip seed oil on my skin. Now, if you're over 40 and you feel like your skin suddenly stopped working, you are not imagining it. Now, guess what happened, guys? As we age, our skin becomes thinner, drier, less elastic. It also takes time to heal. We're starting to see wrinkles. We're starting to have hyperpigmentation coming out of nowhere. And that is exactly why oils that we use, let's say in our 20s, our 30s, just don't work as well as you'd want them to work anymore. And even oils that we are so accustomed to using can feel too heavy on the skin, like castor oil. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you why you should never use an oil like castor oil alone on your skin, especially mature skin. And I'm also going to share how you can mix it with other oils like rosehip seed oil and apricot oil. Now, when you mix this castor oil with these oil, they can dramatically improve elasticity in the skin, firmness to the skin, and they can also help to restore the natural skin barrier, moisturizing the skin, and just give your skin a more natural, youthful glow. But before I share the mixture, guys, and how to mix it, let's talk a little bit more about the skin. Now, what is the biggie, guys? What is the biggie now that your skin is mature? What really changed? Now, what really changed, guys, is that when your skin is mature, you're starting to lose things. What you are losing is reduced oil production, loss of collagen, slower cell turnover, and even increased water loss. What does all of that mean? It means that your skin loses moisture faster. Not only losing moisture faster, but it also shows fine lines more easier. Yes, that's when you start to notice the fine lines and wrinkles just popping out of nowhere on the skin. And that's when you need a more supported product on the skin. You don't need anything harsh on the skin. However, guys, when it comes on to like castor oil, guys, mixing it with the rosehip seed oil and the apricot oil, guys, this is just what your skin needs to really show a more youthful glow. So guys, let's just jump in the kitchen and mix these oils together so that we can be on our way for smoother, more naturally glowing skin. Now, rosehip seed oil is one of the best oil for mature skin, hands down. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C, omega fatty acid. For aging skin, rosehip oil helps to improve skin texture, skin tone, support skin collagen production, reduce the appearance of fine lines, brighten dull skin, and even tired looking skin. Rosehip oil is lightweight and penetrates deeply, which is exactly what mature skin need. When combined with castor oil, it delivers nutrients into the skin. Castor oil seals them in. The skin looks healthier and more radiant. The pairing is especially helpful for wrinkles around the mouth, the eyes, crepey skin, and also loss of firmness. So I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of the rosehip seed oil. For this recipe, if you want to make more, you can double up on the ingredient. So 1 tablespoon of the rosehip seed oil. Pour that in. Now let's reach for the apricot oil. And here we have our apricot oil. Now, apricot oil is extremely gentle. It is lightweight and it is rich in vitamin A and vitamin E. It also has rinsalicylic acid. Now, as we age, as our skin barrier weakens, and apricot oil helps to restore the softness, it improves the elasticity, it helps to calm sensitivity, reduce that tight feeling that many of us with mature skin feels. And when we blend this apricot oil with our castor oil, oil. The apricot oil cushion the heaviness of the castor oil and lock hydration in the skin. The skin stay comfortable and nourished for longer. This is especially important for dry, thinning skin, and it's good for the neck, the décolleté, and believe it or not, you can even use this as close as possible under your eyes. So just like the rosehip seed oil, I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of the apricot oil. Now pour this in, and now guys, let's cover this and put it back. And now we're going to reach for the castor oil, and we're only using about a half a teaspoon of the castor oil. And here we have the castor oil. I'm using Jamaican black castor oil, but use whatever castor oil you have for this recipe. Now castor oil is rich in rinsolinic acid. It helps to calm the skin. It supports collagen and elastin. It acts as a powerful sealer for the skin, and guess what guys, it helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and it is also great for tightening and firming the skin. So 1 teaspoon of the castor oil, and here it is. And now let's just pour this in. Look how thick this is guys. Look how the oil is left in the spoon. So I'm just gonna go in and I'm just gonna try to mix it out, because we do not want to waste this. You know, let me get my little whisk to whisk it out. Very, very thick oil. That's why we're diluting it on the skin. And I'm just gonna make sure to, it's almost like I'm washing it out with the other oils. Yes, now we get it out. And guess what? My hands are clean, guys. Let me just get this castor oil out. That's it. All right. And now what we're going to do, we're going to blend all the oils together. We're blending rosehip seed oil, we're blending apricot oil, and we're blending castor oil. Now, if you do not have apricot oil and you have like papaya seed oil, you can go ahead and you can use that. You can even try some aloe vera oil or jojoba oil. Just make it your own. Pomegranate seed oil is another good oil to mix in this recipe. And you can also go ahead, if you want to even kick this up a notch, and add like 1 to 2 drops of star anise oil, which is an essential oil, which is going to even further help to tighten and firm the skin. Very much optional, but since I have it here, let me drop 1, 2, 3 drops of the star anise oil in this blend, guys, and just give it a mix. Stir it up, mix it up, let the oils blend well together. Shake off my whisk, reach for a storage jar, and now we're just going to pour this in. Let's pour this in. Amazing. Making sure to get all the last drop from it. Whoopsie. And this is it, guys. Here it is. This is it. No need to store it in the refrigerator. You can store it on the countertop. And there you have it, guys. An amazing blend. Now guys, guess what? Mature skin don't really need more products. What it needs is a better blend. A better blend of whether you're using your oils, whether you're using creams, anti-aging products. Just need a better blend with better ingredients that are geared towards mature skin. Now castor oil can absolutely support skin aging, but better yet when it is blended with supporting oils, nourishing oils like castor oil and apricot oil. Now when you blend all of these oils, guys, it supports collagen production, improve elasticity on the skin. It helps to reduce dryness on the skin. It helps your skin to look more healthier and give you that natural glow to the skin. So if you're over 40 and you feel that your skin is just feeling dull, tight, wrinkles, just not how you'd like it to be, then you may need to try this blend. It can really make a difference once used on a regular. And if you enjoyed this video, guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and let me know what other oil would you add to this blend. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave your comment. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.